Hello everyone, this is Santosh and welcome back to my channel Coding Swift. Today I will show you how we can use Cocoapods in our Xcode project. For that I'm just taking TextField effect as an example. So open Xcode, create a new Xcode project. Select single view app, click on next, give a project name. I'm just giving TextField effects. Make sure you select Swift language and user interface is storyboard. Click on next. I'm just saving on my desktop. Okay, I'm just giving a background color, simply orange color, and I'm adding text fields. I'm just duplicating text field. I'm just adding these text fields in a stack. So embed in stack view. Just select stack view and give constraints. From top, I'm just giving 100. From left, 50. Right, 50. And I'm giving height for the text field, just 50. Okay, select stack view and distribution fill equally, so it will share same height for all the text fields. Okay, I'm just giving placeholder name as first name last name, city. Okay, I'm just increasing font size to 20, so it will be easy. Okay, okay, now what we have to do is just open Chrome or any browser, just type TextField effects in Swift. Just scroll down and see, you can find here some text field effects. And scroll down to a bit more. Here you find pod file. This file you have to copy and close the current Xcode project. Open terminal shop. Now we have to init pod file. For that, just type pod init. Just open our Xcode project here, folder. You will see pod file installed, initialized. Now you have to open this pod file. Here just paste what you have copied on the website. So here, save it and close it. Now you have to install that pod file. So type pod install. Whatever the pods we have added on the pod file, those files will be installed when we type pod install command. So we have installed. Let's check it here. See, we got other three files. From now onwards, we use TextField effects.exe workspace file. This is the file we have to use now onwards. Just double click on it. It will open Xcode. Now here, this is our project, and these are the pod files we have installed. Yes, these are the pods we have installed. Now open main.storyboard. Okay, just select the text field. Go to identity inspector here and select the installed pod. I'm just selecting Poshi text field and select another text. Same, and the last one. Now we can change or we can customize our text fields more. It is an border inactive color, so I'm just giving gray, and border active color as this color. Same for both. That's it. Just run and see. Now you can find some effects. Like this. We can find much better if we select This is a simple way to install pod files onto our Xcode project, and we can make this more customization. That's it for the day. Thanks for watching.